Alan Uckman of Agora Financial joins us now for our final trade of the day. Always happy to have you on the show, Alan.
Good morning, Angie.
Your thoughts on the market?
Hot summer. I don't see it cooling down at all during the fall. If you look at August, we had the best August in tech since the year 2000. So we're moving higher.
You had an AMD trade on, a tech trade on. How's that going?
Well, we got out. We got out too soon. Now, we made 50% profit on the first half and 100% on the second half. But this option went off the board on Friday. So some people that did hold it till the end had a healthy profit because that stock peaked out at 25 and we had a $17 call. So that was deep in the money, but we still made money on that trade.
What about Intel? That's another one of your big tech plays.
Yeah, Intel, we're playing that one. We're looking for it to fill that gap at 49.50, getting close to filling in on that. We've got a 45 call. Again, it's a September option. These three options here are for September, so they have 2.5 weeks of time to develop more bullish for us.
And included in that would be Micron.
Yep, Micron.
Another hot one.
You're noticing a similar pattern here. The 47 calls, we're looking for those to get up to 54. We're at about 52 right now. So we got up to 54 last week and a nice push above that since it's 55 and then 60.
And then off the beaten track, Bank of America.
Well, we always like the banks. The 28 call for September,
It was off the beaten track.
I gotcha.
Okay.
So Bank of America, we're looking at this stock. It's around 31, looking for it to get to 32, 34, then 36. So the banks have earnings to kick off the season, so they may rally in anticipation.
Because you like beaten down stocks.
Yes.
Let's take a look at your WPI trade trigger for this week. And you're back with the oil.
Yeah, smart money is all over oil. We've seen a big turnaround in crude oil. Crude oil has rallied 10% in the last 2 weeks, so I'm looking at Exxon again. Now, Exxon is interesting in the fact that it's still negative 4% in 2018, as opposed to the Dow itself up 5%. So this stock's been trading between 77.50 and 82.50 now for 4 months. So I'm looking at the October 77.5 calls. In the money option, we're trading around 80 or so right now. If you can make a breakout here, we could see 85 very quickly, and then an attack on that 89 high.
And again, giving yourself a longer time horizon
October
on this.
option. Now, volatility is low. We've talked about that component in the option is very inexpensive at this time. So let's buy more time and have more time to be right.
Taking a look at your trading floor takeaways for today.
Getting back to the dawdling Dow. Now, the Dow did get within 500 points of the all-time highs here last week, but still not quite there. Up only 5% on the year compared to other indexes, which have gone essentially straight up.
And you call this one the 2030 Club.
Right. In that same vein, we've got the Dow and the S&P up 20% in the last year. So that's pretty impressive. 20% in the last 52 weeks, but that's dwarfed by what's happening in tech. The Nasdaq's up 30%. So again, I might have said it before, we're in a bull market.
And finally,
last, let's talk about rates. We haven't talked that much about rates. Now, we're going to raise rates here in September, so that's happening this month. There's a 99% chance. So that's almost 100%, but there's a 65% chance that we're going to raise rates again in December. So the market's already priced that in, and again, we're sitting at the high. So I view that as very positive for the market long term.
Thank you so much. Have a great trading day.